All right, guys. Today we're printing DTFs, and welcome back to day 18 of 365. We're creeping up to the 1 month of uploading video every day for 365 days. We got some DTF prints here. This is one batch that we're doing right now, or about to print. It's almost to the printing stage. It's just loading. This one does not need to be there. I can remove that. So it's going to print all this, and then there's some more other stuff that we're going to do after that. Apparently not. Joys of removing. It's actually not even that bad. I've definitely removed stuff that's been way worse. Not too bad, not too bad. It's not exactly what our mock-up shows. Sideways like that. No way. No way. Oh, like you could not get it closer than that. I just need to go down. That's too good. And that. Perfect. Oh, I just need to go down a little bit there. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Some things, sometimes. Bang on. Right there. Just like that. So what I'm doing here is I always like to put a little piece of tape there to mark my spot. So that when I pull my masking, I know I'm staying straight if I line it up there. Did I lose my vacuum cutter? Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking with me for 18 days. Tomorrow, day 19 of 365. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. See you guys later. By later, I mean tomorrow.